This 2021 Nexus Phantom 24P is a Class C RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2021 Nexus Phantom 24P is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.